Have you got unwanted cracks what you just can't get rid of? I'm going to show you how to fix it today. So you want to rake out the crack as much as possible. Dust out all the remaining crap in there. You want to get a bit of scrim, right? Fiberglass one. Fiber scrim. Nice mesh. Stick it over the cracks. There's one in the corner. Fill it. And Bob's your uncle. Forgot to show the process, but I scrimmed it, filled it, and look at that, mate. Look at that. You wouldn't even know the cracks were in here.